Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, children. Just wait for a few more minutes to join all of them. Children, can we start the meeting now? So,
Yes, sir.
all of you on the camera now, all of you children, all of you on the camera now. Last class I told you that we are having very few concept left out with us. Anyway, we have read already. That is, we should read only sine, cos, tan, three parts, right? Sine, cos, and tan. Only three concepts you should remember. And degrees only you should read as 30, 60, and 90. In this chapter is 30, 45, and 60. 30, 45, and 60 degree of the learning. 30, 45 degree and 60 degree. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. And this is root 3 by 2. And cos we write from back, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. And here is 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 3. This is 1 and this is root 3. And second thing is we should know angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of depression. In last class, I told you everyone that elevation means we are seeing from down to top. Here is your eye, we are seeing up. So this is angle of elevation. And exactly same only angle will come. But for formality, we are just mentioning over here, this is theta. So this is always horizontal. This is the angle. This angle of elevation and angle of depression is always the angle from the horizontal line to the curve. Horizontal line to the curve. See, horizontal line to the curve. By mistakenly also, you should not write in this way. This is angle, this is wrong. This is not the angle of depression. Always should remember angle of elevation or angle of depression is from horizontal line and the curve. That is slope one, right? That should remember. And these all things are, we are just dealing with the right angle triangles in this case. So first of all, in your CBSE board, they won't give the figures and all. You have to draw the figure. Okay. So just see here, it's circle artist. And last concept, I just telling you once again here, what all things you have to take and all. Okay. Suppose you're taking wall, pole, building. Okay. Wall, then pole, then building, and then what? I can write. Huh?
Ladder.
No, ladder right now.
Yes, sir.
Ladder is right separately, like tree, tower. These all are straight lines. Okay, these vertical lines. These all are what? Vertical.
Okay, sir. Okay, yes. Sir, I thought you're talking about any kind of like line on that.
Any kind of this wall, pole is coming into picture, building is coming into picture, tree is coming, tower is coming. These all things are vertical. This is all are vertical in shape, like vertical kind of thing. A ladder will be like slant. Ladder is what? Slant. Ladder is slant. Okay. Next thing you just horizontal. Which is horizontal? Anyone think in the shadow? Shadow of a person, right? That is horizontal, right?
Ground.
Ground. Ground you can say. Ground, correct. Ground is correct. This is horizontal. So these are the small concept you have. Just while doing the questions, these all things will get clear more easier and all. So if you do questions and all, it will become more easier and easier and easier. See. So question number you first you try to understand. A circus artist is climbing 20-meter rope. Now rope also will come in here. Where? Rope will come under ladder, right? Rope is also slant. This is also rope is also slant only. Right here, rope is also slant. So circle artist is climbing 20-meter long rope, which is tightly stretched from a top of vertical pole. This is pole. AB here in this figure, AB is what? Pole. AC is, what is AC? Rope. And ground. BC is what? From the ground. This is ground. Okay. GROUND, ground. So here you have to find the height of pole. AB is the question mark. In this case, we have to find what? AB. This we have to find AB. Okay. One more thing, sine theta is O by H. Cos theta is A by H. And tan theta is what? O by A. Or if you remember, so katua.
Yes, sir.
So HCAH So here, what is given to us? The length of the rope is given, and we have to find here this one. So relation between what is given and what we have to find. So if this is angle theta, this becomes what? Opposite, and this becomes hypotenuse. So which angle we know, which is relation between opposite and hypotenuse?
Sine 30.
Sine 30 degree we have to use. Sine 30 degrees AB divided by AC. All we find AB, you find and tell me the answer for this. AB, what is the answer for AB? Put the values and tell me the answer for this.
Sir, 10, sir.
Sir, AB is 10.
Yeah, AB is 10 meters. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Next question is question number 2. Try to understand the question. Tree breaks. Tree breaks due to storm. See, this complete part is tree. A to B. This is dotted line is there. No, this dotted line. Can you check it out? This one. From B to complete, this whole part is tree only. Okay. But from middle here, it got bent and just fallen down over here. What is that? Try to understand the question. Before this was the complete tree. Okay. Now this tree, this part got fallen down here. Understood? So length of the tree becomes what? AB plus AC. Length of complete tree. Length of tree is what? Tell me. AB plus AC. Correct? Because this part only
Yes,
is
sir.
over here. So in question, what is given over here? The tree breaks due to a storm and broken part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Top of the tree, this part touches the ground at angle what? 30 degree over here. The distance between foot of the tree and point where top touches the ground. See, this is the foot of the tree. This is the point where tree touches the ground. So distance between this is given as 8 meters. Once again, you see the distance between the foot of the tree is given here foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. Top touches the ground is 8 meters. So top touches the ground. So two things. Foot of the tree, top touches the ground. Distance is how much? 8 meters. This diagram will be not given in exam. You have to draw this diagram by yourself. Okay. Now we have to find the height of the tree. Children, we have to find AB as well as AC. So here what we know, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. Once we have to take the relationship between O and A, and once we have to take a relationship between A and H. It's clear to everyone what we are doing over here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once we are finding opposites, so we have taken O by A. Where O by A will come? Which angle? Sine, right? So sine 30. Sorry, not sine, it's coming in tan, right? So
Yes. And 30.
tan 30. So tan 30 is O by A. A by H will come in cos 30. So now these two things you have to just solve and get the value of O and H. After getting the value of O and H, just simply add up and get the answers. All of you just tell me the answer for this, A and H, what you're getting. O and H. Write in the chat box, children. O and H.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Just tell me your doubt.
Sir, over here, O we have to consider as a AB or the whole tree even which is fallen down.
No.
Is when
This part we should not consider at all right now. Only A to B,
Okay,
this
sir.
much, because this is not considering, no, this is already fallen down already in this question.
Okay, sir.
So O is only from A to B. That's why if you take this, how we can consider this right now? We can't do. So that's why you're considering separately O, AB and AC. And then we have to add over there, okay? So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equals to AB divided by 8. So AB, what we'll get for AB? AB is equals to, children, is very easy concept. You're finding AB means cross part you colored here, right? Close it. So what is pending? 8 into 1, right here, 8 into 1. And what is there with AB that you write? This is root 3, that you write it down. Very easy method, try to understand over here. AB, if you are finding AB, close this cross things over here. So only AB you write, close cross. What is coming here? 8 into 1, right at numerator. And what is pending out? Root 3 is pending about. That is divided by root 3, you should write. Okay. So 8 by root 3 is the length of AB. Now cos 30. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equals to A by H. 8 by H. Now again we have to find H. H, we just write the value over here. That is nothing but AC. So AC is equals to 8 into 2 divided by root 3. So we'll write here 16 by root 3.
16 by root 3, yes, sir.
Now we have to add both. So height of the tree, HEIGHT of tree is equals to 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. So it'll come 24 by root 3. But we don't like to be in the answer in root form.
So we have to rationalize it for all of the questions.
We don't like root in denominator always. So what we'll write here, 24 root 3 divided by 3. So we'll get 8 root 3. Answer is what? 8 root 3. This is the final answer in meters of the tree. Okay, it's clear to everyone? Okay. So now next question is question number 3rd. Contracted is planning something here. Here the figure also I'm just writing for you this thing. At home once again you try. Okay. So here figure also is given to you right now. So just try to understand this question number 3rd and try to find the answer. Just try to understand the question over here. If you're having small doubt also you ask. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children in the park. Okay. So there are two type of sliders are there here. So we have to find the length of slide in both the cases. Like in the first case, we have to find length of AC. And second case, we have to find length of what? PR.
Yeah.
Try to understand. And if you're not getting the question, you ask me. And if you understood completely, find the value of AC and PR and just write in the chat box. Okay. Shrestha, Harshit, Nityashree on your camera. Nityashree, your camera is off from 2 classes. Nityashree, reason?
Yes, sir.
What happened to you?
Nothing, sir.
Then camera should be on, no?
Yes, sir. 2 minutes. Just a second.
Find the length of AC and PR. Nehal, you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, find.
Yes, sir. Got the answer of the sine 30.
Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What is the length of AC, you tell me?
Sir, 2.10. Is it
Length
correct?
of AC is 2.1.
2.1.
Okay. So you should use sine, cos or tan. What you should use here?
So sine.
Sine. Why you are using sine over here?
Because the 30 degrees is to this 1.5 and we are
This is opposite and this is hypotenuse. The relation between opposite and hypotenuse is sine.
yes, sir, that's
Sine 30 degree is equals to O by H. So 1 by 2 is equals to 1.5 divided by AC. So AC is equals to 2.1 you are getting or 3 you are getting?
3 centimeter. Yes, 3. Not getting 2.
You told you are getting that one.
Yes, sir. I did a
2.1.
mistake, sir.
What about PR?
So we are going.
Sir, I sent my answer.
What?
Sir, I sent you my answer.
Oh, yeah, I got the answer. Answer is correct. 2 root 3 you are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
So here is also same thing, only opposite and hypotenuse itself. So sine 60 we have to use in this case. Sine 60 is PQ divided by PR.
Yeah.
So root 3 by 2 is equals to 3 by PR. So I told you how to find this PR you are finding means just close this both, okay? And right here, PR is equals to 2 into 3 divided by root 3. So we'll get the answer as 6 by root 3. Later on, we don't like root in denominator. So root 3 and root 3 divide numerator and denominator, get the answer. Answer is 2 root 3. Next question here is question number 4. This is a new concept for you children. That's why we are doing each and every question from here first. Okay. So next question is angle of elevation. First, you draw the just diagram for this, how it comes. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from ground. So tower and all is given. First you draw always right angle triangle over here. I just copy and paste the diagram over here. Okay. So wherever you get that this kind of question, first you make right angle triangle over here. So this is a diagram. Okay. So your tower is AB. AB is the tower. And then it's easy now. So we have to find AB. Okay. So Sahasra, what to do over here? Which one sine, cos, tan, which we should consider over here?
So we can take cos A by H.
This is opposite.
So it's tan.
Yeah. O
Yeah.
by A, right?
Yes, sir, O by A.
Okay. So we should write here tan only. Tan 30 is equals to O by A. So 1 by root 3 is equals to AB by 30. So AB is equals to 30 by root 3. So answer will get 10 root 3. Understanding 10 root 3, how we are reaching over here? 10 root 3.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5th now. Question number 5th. So first you draw the kite and all is flying where the string is attached and all try to understand over here. So where is kite? Where is the string over here? The height of the kite is always straight. Okay. So see this diagram over here. If you
Sir, I
see,
accept my answer.
okay. You have mentioned the answer, Monish, right?
Yes, sir.
43.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what we can write here is this is AC is string over here. AC is string. And then we have BC is what? Height of the kite. Height of the kite. We have to find the length of the string. It means we have to find AC over here. So in relation, which one you should understand? This is opposite and this is hypotenuse. So sine 60 we have to use here. Sine 60 is nothing but O by H. So root 3 by 2 is equals to 60 by AC. So AC is equals to 2 into 60 by root 3. So 120 by root 3. You multiply root 3 up and down. So 40 root 3 is the correct answer.
So why is the root 3 by 2 taken as reciprocal?
Why root 3 by taken as?
Reciprocal.
I have not taken reciprocal. I'm just finding AC over here. See, a concept what I'm telling you is, first what you are finding over here, just write AC you are finding, right? So just leave about the opposite signs over AC and this root 3, you close it with your fingers, okay? What is apart from this 2, you are getting root 60 as well as 2, right? So those things first we multiply over here. And what is pending out right now? Root 3. That you should write down, okay? We are not doing reciprocal. Cross multiplication we are doing anyways. Understood, Harshit?
Yes, sir.
Easy way of writing anything. What you are finding, first you write here. You close the cross things. What is the pending part that you write first in the numerator? And left out is write in denominator. That is the easy way of writing, okay? Now question number, Nihal and Shrestha, on your cameras. Nihal. Nihal, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to what we can write, Nihal? Tell me.
Cos theta opposite that hypotenuse.
What is coming in your mind? You are telling something, right?
No, sir.
So see the question over here, children. Question number 6. Cos theta is O by H, not A by H. Cos theta, what you told? O by H you told, right?
No, yes, sir, but it is adjacent by.
So why you don't know?
No, sir.
So try to understand, children, over here. 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance of 30 meter tall building. If you want to draw, you can draw like this. See, this is 30 meter tall building. One boy standing over here. This is boy height is 1.5 meters. You can do in this way. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building. See, from here increases from 30 to 60 degree if he walks toward the building. Before he was standing over here. Now after some time he moves till here. Okay. So he is just seeing the building like an angle of elevation. From here to here he sees the building. From here he too sees the building. Okay. So angle before it was 30 degree, now becomes 60 degree. Now see, make one line over here and right here it has 30 degree and right here as 60 degree. Is it clear what I wrote here to everyone?
Yes,
30
sir.
degree
Yes,
and
sir.
60 degree. So you have to find the distance he walked towards the building. How much distance he walked? Means general, we have to find from here to here. Actually, before he was here, now he moving till here. So this distance is the question mark. Understood? This distance is the question mark over here. So 1.5 meter. Now just copy the question, this figure from the here. I just copy and paste. You may see clearly this one. See, This is the figure you can see clearly. So we have to find here distance from x to y. We have to find distance from x to y. So children, in this kind of question, first you understood everyone question? So your first step here is how many right angle triangles are there, you can see. How many right angle triangle you can see here? I can see 2 right angle triangles.
Sir, 2,
First
sir.
right angle triangle is a smaller triangle you consider first. Triangle A, B, C. Okay. Next triangle I'll consider as triangle A, B, D. Okay. Before going further, what I should do is, in this 2 triangle, we don't know AB height exactly. This AB, this 30 is the height from complete, from A to Z. So this height would be 28.5. Why this is 28.5? Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Because boy height is also mentioned in 30 meters itself. So that we have removed 1.5 from that. So height of AB is nothing but 28.5. So we are not bothering about this length. This hypotenuse you don't want. We don't want hypotenuse. So we want only opposite and adjacent. In triangle ABC, we use tan 60 degree over here. Tan 60 degrees equals to AB by BC. Parallelly, you can write here tan 30 degrees equals to what we can write? AB by, don't write CD, only CD, write completely BC plus CD you should write. Because you have complete right angle triangle, right? So your opposite from
Yes,
here
sir.
to here, completely you have to consider, okay? Completely you have to consider. Now just put the values, tan 60 is √3, AB is 28.5, and BC we don't know. So BC is equals to what we can write? 28.5 divided by √3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can write here tan 30. Tan 30, what we can write? Tan 30 is 1 by √3.
1 by
is
√3.
equals
Yes,
to
sir.
AB by, see, this is going to be a bit complicated. In place of BC, we should write 28 by √3, something like that. So what we do now, better in place of this complete part, I'll just write here BD completely, I'll write BD. I'll write completely BD itself, okay? Then AB part we don't know. Yeah, then we write here 1 by √3 is equals to 28.5 divided by BD. What we'll get for BD now? BD is equals to 28.5 divided by √3. Okay, same answer how it's coming. It's wrong,
Yes,
we have
sir.
done. We have done wrong here somewhere then. AB by BD. BD is okay. So 28 point, this is √3 will come here, not down. We are multiplying, no? BD is equals to 28.5 into √3, right? So now we are finding C to D. What is C to D? C to D is nothing but BD, complete
Minus BC.
BD minus BC. So BD is 28.5 √3 minus 28.5 divided by √3. Now take the LCM over here. √3 is the LCM. And 28.5 √3 and √3 becomes what? 28.5 into 3. 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24, 25 to 8. 85.5 minus 28.5. Now subtract this. 8, 7, 15. And 7 minus 5 is 57. 57 by √3 is coming. √3 is 57 by √3 into √3 by √3. So it will come 57 √3 divided by 3. So 19 3s are 57. So 19 √3 is the final answer. Okay. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this 19 root 3 is the final answer for CD. So in this way, we have to think over here and we can just move further. We can do before also what we have written here, BC plus CD, that also we can use, not a problem in that. We can use that part also. So you may feel difficulty with something like that. But it's coming in 28.5 by root 3 plus something you should do. Again, you should solve that part. You can try that way also. If you're having doubt, you can ask. All right. So next question here is question number 7. So till question number 5th and all, we have read about only one triangles. Now we started two triangles now. In a single question, two triangles from question number 6. So again, now two triangles only, but in different way. Just try to understand this question from a point on the ground. Angle of elevation.
Sir, are you sending the pictures of this, sir, or are you giving the PDF instead?
Sending what? Tell once again.
Sir, in WhatsApp, sir, will you send the pictures, sir, of this?
Yeah, complete part I'll send. Complete picture as well as answers. All three things I'll send.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You can concentrate completely over here. Just send the complete whole PDF to you. So question number 7. Try to do the question. First diagram you do. From the point on the ground, angle of elevation of bottom and top. See, bottom you have confused with bottom also and top of a transmission tower. Fixed at bottom 20-meter high building. See, there are two things over here. Try to understand. Here, point of ground. You are seeing from ground angle of elevation and bottom of the top. One is tower over here, and second is building. Okay, try to understand. Two things are there: building as well as building as tower. So which is taller, tower or building? Which is taller?
Sir, building.
Which is taller here, Nityashree? Which is taller? Tall building or transmission tower? Which is taller in this?
High building is taller.
No. Tower. Tower is no BSNL tower you have seen. And high building. Building is always smaller than the
Yes.
towers. Towers are always more in height. This is tower and building. If you see, always building will be smaller. Okay.
Maybe there is a bigger building they didn't mention, which is a taller one also.
Always you remember. Okay. In the trigonometric terms, tower is always transmission tower. We get transmission lines and all you've seen. Transmission lines, which where electricity will go. No, you've seen somewhere.
Sir, but maybe there are more bigger buildings, no, sir.
Don't see this one. Some you may understand in the street light, this small towers are there. Not like that. Transmission is mentioned. Transmission in the power station, big towers will come no, from the land and all. The very big tower will be there. That is more than the apartments also. It's very well tall. Where we are sending the power from one place to another place. So
Okay.
always remember transmission towers are taller than the buildings.
Okay, sir.
In question here is given that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at bottom of 20-meter high building are 45 and 60 degrees respectively. So where is building and where is tower? I don't know.
Side to side, sir.
The transmission tower is on the building.
The transmission tower is on the building.
Yes, sir. Top of a transmission fixed at the top of
One minute. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom top of transmission tower fixed at the top of building. Okay.
Yes.
Is building is fixed, right? Means it's like, this is
Like
building.
on the building, sir. Tower is.
Yeah, on the building, correct. This on the building, this is tower.
Yes.
So on the buildings, on towers, they will just put from the ground, from here to this building, and from here to tower also. We are having two separate angles over here. This one is 45 and this one is 60. So anything else is given. Building height is given, 20-meter high building. So now we have to find the height of the tower. This one we have to find. So question is clear to everyone? Srestha, question is clear? Hansini?
Yes, sir.
You understanding the diagram and all you understanding?
So can you explain it again?
So I'll just take the diagram from here and then I'll just check it out. So now how many right angle triangles are there in this? There are two right angle triangles. Name it separately, just write over here. First triangle here is small triangle first you write, okay? First triangle you write BCD. Second triangle you write ACD. So we are not bothering about these lines and all, we are not bothering. So always O by A, same only you do. So in BCD, we have tan 45 degree is equals to BC by CD. So tan 45 is 1, BC is 20, CD is as it is. So CD is equals to 20. CD is equals to 20 meters. So from first we got CD is equals to 20 meters. In triangle ACD, we have tan 60 degree is equals to AC by CD. So tan 60 is √3.
So 20√3 is the answer.
Yeah, maybe. So AC we can write it as AB plus 20 divided by 20. So AB plus 20 is equals to 20√3. So AB is equals to 20√3 minus 20. So 20 is common, √3 minus 1. The same answer you are getting? Monish, you are getting the same answer?
No, sir, I think I did a mistake.
Check, you might have done mistake somewhere or what? Check it out. The children, any steps you are feeling difficulty? First part or second part? Or second part, any line, if you are having doubt, you can just ask. So how we write? Yes, tell me.
Sir, in the second part, instead of taking AB plus 20, can't you take directly as AC?
Directly AC you are taking?
Yes, sir.
Take AC, not a problem. I'll just do here only in front of you. √3 is equals to AC divided by 20, right?
Yes, sir.
So AC is equals to 20√3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find AB. The AB is equals to what we can write? AC minus BC, right?
Sir, 20√3 minus 20.
Same thing is coming now.
Sir.
Same thing will come, no change. So either you can do in that way or this way, both are same only, not a problem. Okay. So now we'll do question number 8. So drawing the diagram only is a bit difficult to you people, but if you once you draw the diagram, then it's become very easy to do the question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on a top of pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. What is pedestal, you know? Pedestal just like stand kind of thing, you know. A stand kind of thing. Suppose table, you are having any table or something. Suppose one box. Here one stand is required. No, this stand is nothing but what? Pedestal. We call it as what? Pedestal. The statue. Suppose statue is mentioned. Suppose someone's statue is mentioned over here, right? So where this stands, no, this is known as what? This one is pedestal. So pedestal is just like a stand kind of thing. I just close and just once again I'll open. 1 minute. So statue is 1.6 meter tall, stand on. So statue I'll write here like this. This is statue, okay. This is pedestal. This is statue. This one is pedestal. I'll just write in this way, okay. Statue is 1 point. This is 1.6. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of this statue.
So it's totally 1.6.
Statue is 1.6. No, see, statue is 1.6 meter tall. It stands on top of the pedestal. See,
Okay.
pedestal is different and statue is different. So statue is 1.6, which is standing on pedestal. Now from the ground, angle of elevation of the top of this statue is 60 degrees. Now see, top of the statue and this ground is how much? 60 degree. And from the same point, angle of elevation of the top, see, pedestal is different. This angle is 45 degree. So find the height of pedestal. Now, how many right angle triangle are there? There are 2 right angle triangle. You can name it anything, A, B, C, D. So I'll just copy from the internet and just writing this one figure. I'm just putting over here. So how many right angle triangle are there that you write over here? B, C, D triangle, B, C, D, and triangle A, C, D. 2 triangles are there. So in B, C, D, we are bothering about this one. We have to find height of the O and A, right? So tan 45 degree is equals to BC by CD. So 1 is equals to BC by CD. So we can write BC is equals to CD. This is the first equation. Next, triangle ACD, tan 60 degree is equals to AB plus BC divided by CD. So √3 is equals to AB is 1.6. BC we can write CD only. What do you have to find? Height of pedestal? No. So BC you write as it is. We have to find BC, so don't change this one. Right here BC as it is. Again by BC. Now do cross multiplication. √3 BC is equals to 1.6 plus BC. Then we can write √3 BC minus BC is equals to 1.6. BC you take common. √3 minus 1 is equals to 1.6. So BC is equals to, we can write 1.6 divided by √3 minus 1. Now we don't like root in denominator. We have to rationalize now, right? So we have to rationalize. That is, we should write multiply √3 minus plus 1 divided by √3 plus 1. So 1.6 multiply √3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 2. So we'll get 0.8. 2 if you cancel here, we'll get 0.8. This is the final answer. So check where you are feeling difficulty or something like that. See where you are feeling difficulty. So if understood, I'll move to the question number next. That is question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from top of the tower is 30 degree. Again, building and tower is coming into picture. So just write here roughly. First I'll tell you, and then I'll just paste the copy over here. So this is the figure over here. So this is tower and this is building. It's the angle of elevation of top of the building from foot of the tower. Top of the building from foot of the, see, try to understand. This is foot of the tower, top of the building. Angle is how much? 30 degree. Try to understand first. Then see. Angle of elevation of top of the tower from foot of the building. So now this degree. This is 60 degree. If tower is 50 meter high, this tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So building height you have to find. Okay. So what you can do, I just erasing this part right now. I'll just, this part will be what? This is X. Let the height of the building be X. So what is the height of upper part of this? 50 minus X, right?
Yes,
It's clear. So like this we can write. Or you can let the height of the building be X only directly, you can write, not a problem. You can make one line and here this is 50. Now two right angle triangle you just take and solve over, that's it. So A, B, C and D. Once you take triangle A, B, C, once you take triangle D, C, B and solve, you can get the value of X over here, that's it. After, I don't think after this you will feel difficulty anywhere. See ABC over here. Here is 60 degree. We are not bothering about this line and this line. Hypotenuse we are not bothering at all. So tan 60 we are using over here. Tan 60 is AB by BC. So root 3 is equals to 50 by BC. So BC is equals to 50 by root 3. Next part is your DCB, that is tan 30. Tan 30 is X by BC. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. X as it is. BC is, we put the value 50 by root 3. So multiply, you write root 3 by 50. We can interchange, children. In place of BC, 50 by root 3 is there. If I'm writing in multiplication, what I should write? Root 3 by 50. Clear?
yes, sir.
So we can write root 3x is equals to 50. So x is equals to 50 by root 3. That's it. You can multiply also root 3 up and down. We'll get, I think, 50 root 3 by 3. So 16 3s are 48. 16.2. 16.66 root 3. This is the answer. Check it out once. Your height of the building is coming the same. Look, some awkward answer is coming over here. See, it's coming same or different. 50 by 3 is answer here. Answer is 50 by 3. AB is 50 by 3. We have done mistake. Tan 30, tan 60 is root 3, 50 by root X. BC is 50 by root 3. Okay. 1 by root 3 is equals to AB is coming 50 by 3. Oh, root 3 is 3 over here. No, I have done mistake. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Root 3 and root 3 become only 3. The direct
Yes.
answer is coming
Yes,
50 by 3. So your answer is 3x is equals to 50. So x is equals to 50 by 3 meters. One more question we do. Last question of the day, question number 10.
Sir,
Yes, tell me what, Sreyashi, what happened?
no, sir, no, sir. I was telling to please, sir, don't remove the question right now, sir. Sir, I'm still doing, sir.
Okay, still doing fine.
Yes, sir.
All of you try to understand the question number 10.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
So next question number 10 is two poles of equal height. First you make the equal height poles over here. This and this two poles are of equal size. If this is x, this is also x only. Standing opposite to each other on this side of the road. This is road over here. From here to here, this is complete part is road. Okay, y. Which is 80 meters. So sorry, this whole part is 80 meters. I'll write here. 80 meters. Okay. So your first part of the line got cleared, right? First two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. So 80 meter wide and height of both the poles is x. Next part of the question is from the point between them on the road. The top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. It's not saying exactly between. Between means anywhere on the road. It's maybe here. So one part will be 30 degree and another part would be how much? 60 degree. So we have to find.
Can I understand, sir, from a point between them on the road?
You're not understanding this part, Sreyashi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, what they are given here is between the roads, means this point and this point is the road. Anywhere between the road, any point between the road, angle of elevation of the first pole and the second pole. Two angles are there given over here. One is 60 degree and one is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, or you can take 60 degree and 30, either of the them you can take, not a problem. So between the road, if you are seeing the angle of elevation to both the poles, see here, from a point between them on the road, this is a point. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles means from this point, top of the poles is this two, are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Clear now, Sreyashi?
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
Find the height of the poles and the distance of the points from the poles. So we have to find x as well as this both parts. This both part will not be same, right? Because this 80, this may be 20, 60, this may be 30, 50 like that. So there are two right angle triangle over here. And if first part is x, suppose this part is, you take this is part is y, okay? Take first part is y. What is the second part over here?
80 minus y.
Yeah, if first part is y, this is 80 minus y. Now we can do this question. It's very easy now. So name it here A, B, C, D, and E. Okay.
So first we find x in both the triangles, then we substitute the values of x which we get this is equals to that and find the value.
Yeah, anyway you can find, no problem. Just both triangles. I just my trick is I'm telling take this both the triangle right separately. Right here A, B, C.
So I
And
think then we can add both.
What?
Sir, after finding the values, like, okay, sir, nothing.
You can do anything, no problem. So I am doing in actually parallelly together. I'll just do parallelly here. So triangle ABC, what I'll write, tan 60 degrees equals to x by y, and here I'll write tan 30 degrees equals to x by 80 minus y. So tan 60 is √3 is equals to x by y, and this is 1 by √3 is equals to x by 80 minus y. So from first what we'll get, x is equals to √3y, equation number 1. In place of x, we'll put √3y only. The 1 by √3 is equals to √3y divided by 80 minus y. So 3y is equals to 80 minus y. So you'll get y is equals to 40, right? So x is equals to what? X is equals to 40 √3. Over, answer came. So y is 40. Y is something wrong now. 2y is equal to 80. It's coming wrong somewhere, right?
There is no 3 √y. It's 3 √x.
3 √x. Achha, y is 3 √y only, no? X by y, right? See, triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees equals to x by y. Then √3 is equals to
We are
x.
talking about triangle EDC.
What's a triangle EDC?
Because √3 by y, √3y, but it should be x.
X. In place of x, I just replaced this one. No, in place of x, I replaced with this √3y.
Okay.
I replaced here. So
Okay,
3y is equals to 80 minus y. So 3y, acha, this is 4y, no? 4y is equals to 80. Y is equals to 20. Yeah. Y is equals to 20 and 80 minus y is equal to 60. So from a single point, first part is 20, second part is 60, and x, height of the poles is nothing but 20 √3. There are 3 answers over here. So first answer, second answer, and third answer. Okay. I just write in yellow color. This. All 3 are answers. Anyway, doubt do you have, children, all of you?
No, sir.
Okay, that's for today. I'll give around 4-5 sums based on this. You can do it at home. Try for, and then we'll just do further on Saturday. Okay. So that's all for today. You can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
I have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
In chapter 1, they have told, like they have given a question where 6 to the power n end with 0. We know it won't end, sir, but how to write the statements? If n is any number, will the last digit be equal to 0? They said.
See, you can write here 6 to the power 1 is 6. 6 to the power 2 is also 36. 36 is coming. 6 to the power 3 is 216. So right, if any power is just ending with 6, so it cannot be ends with 0. Simple, no? That way you can write.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave now. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Have a good
Thank you,
day.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.